their teachers.
Over 200 vacancies today.
What's causing the shortage?
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Like this can cause a lot of problems. Lost wages, medical bills, a lot of...
There goes Spectrum. Yeah, the Spectrum one doesn't have no audio for my TV for some reason. I can't find a way to put the settings on here. Still waiting for the phone to go off.
So the weather is warming up. We just made a fresh spring pasta, but just the